Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about the factors that the court considers when determining custody and whether or not parent A or parent B is the more suitable custodial parent. Now, it's a little bit of a misnomer because, as you know, we are not really analyzing the quality of the competing parents so much as we are analyzing what's in the best interest of the child. So it's not necessarily about, is A a bad person or a good person? Is B a bad person? Who's honest, who's not? Who's lying, who's not? Who's deserving, who's not? It's not exactly that analysis. It's more about what's in the best interest of the child. Now, having said that, a lot of times the court may find, because of the kind of person the mom is, dad should get the custody, not because of the mom, but because it's in the best interest, that the child will thrive more with dad. The court might decide that, you know what, the father, nice guy, but he's on the road 6 nights out of the week because he's an over-the-road trucker. He comes home 1 day a week. That's no way to raise a child. The child has day-to-day needs, so therefore he's a good guy, no problem, but it's in the best interest of the child to go with mom. See, the court has the ability to do that. And without getting into all the factors and going through them one by one, which the court will do in your case, I will tell you that the overall message of these factors is stability. The court feels that the child's stability is really the most important thing. So everything that we talk about in terms of the factors really goes to which environment, dad or mom's, has the greatest opportunity to provide stability to the child. So I'll give you an example. One of the 12 factors is the presence of domestic violence in the household. So if there's a situation where one parent is hitting the other parent over the head with a frying pan, so there's domestic violence, the police are in the house all the time, what kind of household is this? Is this the bedrock that we want to raise a child upon? Is this a stable household? The answer is probably not. If the police are always there, there's yelling and screaming, someone's always being carted away, that is not a stable environment. So, but again, you see how it goes. It's not so much about should mom have hit dad, should dad have hit mom. It's more about, as a result of this, look what environment we left with for the child. Is it a good one or a bad one? One of the factors has to do with to which parent does the child go for emotional support, psychological support. The court may find both parents are wonderful people. As it turns out, though, because mom's a drug addict and an alcoholic, even though she keeps it to herself and even though it's strictly recreational, there's no evidence that's ever impacted the child, the court may find that those things impede her ability to be the emotional support system for this child. She's a wreck herself. How could she be for the child? So therefore, while sympathetic the court may be with the one parent, the court may say the custody goes to the other parent. Again, not choosing between the parents so much as looking at the child and saying, you know what, your ability to thrive will be more in this direction than in that direction. So that's the general format that the court uses in going through the various custody factors. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.